Hello friends, welcome back to another video from Shomu's Biology. In this video, I am going to talk about the CSIR NET Life Science syllabus. So if you want to know what is the syllabus of CSIR NET Life Science, then stick to this video because here I am going to talk about the CSIR NET Life Science syllabus and also regarding the importance index of different chapters. So let's begin. So CSIR NET Life Science has 13 different units. Okay, so from unit 1 to unit 13, each unit consists of different subtopics. So for example, unit 1 is for biochemistry and it's very important unit. Then the second unit is unit 2, that is for cell biology. Okay, and this is where the cell cycle regulation and all those portions are very important. And this unit 3 is molecular biology, and molecular biology means central dogma of biology and fundamental processes, that means DNA replication, transcription, translation for prokaryotes as well as for eukaryotes, and the difference between the two are the important aspects. Then unit 4 is the big combination unit, which carries chapters like cell signaling, it carries chapters like cancer biology, it carries chapters like immunology and also host pathogen interaction, that is the general and medical microbiology. Then unit 5 composed of developmental biology for animals mostly, and then a little bit of developmental biology of plants. Then unit 6 is the plant physiology, and that includes the plant physiological processes like photosynthesis as well as the ascent of sap and transport of the food throughout the plant hormones and different phytochromes and all these things will be included, and also secondary metabolites. Then unit 7 is for human physiology, although it's written as an animal physiology, but actually if you see the question, this is from human physiology. Then unit 8 is genetics, another very important unit. Unit 8 genetics, including Mendelian inheritance as well as non-Mendelian genetics, as well as the molecular genetics and the bacterial genetics. Then unit 9 is classification biology, that includes mostly memory based topics as well as the cladogram analysis. So the memory based topics here will be the different classification scheme for invertebrates, okay, from Porifera, Cnidaria, Ctenophora, those things. And then later on for the class level for vertebrates like the chondrichthyes, osteichthyes, amphibia, reptilia, those things, and also Indian biogeographical realm. Then unit 10 is another very important unit, that is ecology and environmental biology, that includes population ecology, ecosystem ecology and community ecology. Then comes unit 11, that is evolutionary biology and origin of life. So start with origin of life, experiments and all, and then the different theories of evolution, and also it includes the geological time scale, that is very important. Human evolution, very important. Then comes also another topic is included, that is a population genetics, that is Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. Then comes unit 12, that includes applied biology, and that includes all the different chapters related to the marker assisted selection, QTL mapping, agricultural biotechnology, mostly the agricultural biotechnology, TI plasmid, agrobacterium mediated gene delivery systems, and so on. Then last one is unit 13, covers biological techniques, and that covers all the different types of biological techniques, be it cell biology technique, molecular biology technique, or microscopy, biophysical techniques like X-ray crystallography, CD spectroscopy, NMR spectroscopy, and so many things. Anything related to biological techniques will be unit 13. So these are the 13 units, and among these 13 units, the most important units for the CSIR NET examination will be unit 1, it will be unit 3, it will be unit 4, it will be unit 5, 6, 8, 10 as well as 13. These are the very important units, and not only very important, but if you practice them well, you can answer enough number of questions to be qualified from these units. Okay, so that's all about the CSIR NET Life Science syllabus. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to this channel to get more videos like that. Thank you. Bye.